Once there is balance, then you can build a tower on top of this. If there is no balance, whatever you build will only lead to more trouble.
Stop worrying about the judgments of other people.
When you strike out on your goal, you're going to have to get ready for flexibility.
I recently sat down with Sadhguru for a special one-on-one interview, and so to celebrate that, please enjoy this special Sadhguru Espresso from our vault.
I wake up every morning.
Espresso keep me going.
I wake up every morning.
All human experience is generated from within, is that so? All human experience is generated from within. So at any time, if you feel happy or unhappy, miserable, joyful, ecstatic, in a state of agony, doesn't matter what happens, what is your experience, pleasantness or unpleasantness, just to know that it's happening from within, and it can only happen from within. You can either take external stimuli or you can create your own stimuli, but essentially it happens from within. This one thing, if it is not grasped, when you feel miserable, if you think it's this one, you're gone. You're just… the keyboard is here, but you're punching the wall. This is not going to work. This one basic fundamental thing is something that almost 90% of the humanity is always doing it wrong. Whenever they feel miserable, they think it must be this one or that one or that one or that one. Now, all human experience is generated from within. If something is feeling unpleasant, first thing is to look at this. What am I doing wrong with this? Am I eating wrong? Am I sleeping wrong? Am I sitting wrong? Am I breathing wrong? Is my heart beating wrong? Something… my very chemistry is wrong. Something is wrong with this, not with that. So the moment you think by kicking the wall you can fix this one, then you made a fundamental mistake. The harder you try, the further away from it you go. The first thing is to bring balance. Once there is balance, then you can build a tower on top of this. If there is no balance, whatever you build will only lead to more trouble. The more basic you are, the better it is. So this is what a whole lot of humanity is seeking, somehow to remain basic. Because if you build something, it feels terrible when there is no fundamental balance. Anything standing up without balance is a big problem.
I think one of the most important games that you ever have to play is to figure out what balance looks like for you. To have the self-awareness to know that this is what a balanced life, a balanced schedule looks like for me, and I don't care what you think. I don't care what you think, mom and dad and friends and people around me, because too often we base our life, our schedule, our definition of balance based off of what we see around us as opposed to what we actually want for ourselves. You see your high school friend who's crushing it now and you want a life like that. You look at somebody on YouTube or Instagram and you say, I want a life like that. You feel like you need to work harder when you're around some people, and you need to be a better family person when you're around other people, and you need to be, more into your hobbies, or better salsa dancer, or better at making coffee, or whatever the thing is when you're around different people. You're constantly adjusting your life and your needs and what you think you want based off of the people who are around you, as opposed to actually thinking, this is what balance looks like for me. I think it's okay to have your own definition of balance and for other people to think that that's crazy. My favorite example here is The Rock. The Rock, we had this great clip of The Rock, it still is etched into my mind, where he's talking about what balance looks like for him. And for him, he needs to work out every day. And he would wake up 3 or 4 hours before a movie set would go on, when he had to be on set, when he's filming a movie, wake up 3 to 4 hours early and go to the gym. And he would average 5 hours sleep while he's filming on set because he needed to wake up early 3 to 4 hours to go to the gym and get his workout in. For him, that's balance. For me, that sounds crazy. If I am working on something like a film You know, if I was doing that, it's super important, waking up every day and going to work, I wouldn't want to be working on 5 hours sleep. I would skip the workout to get more sleep so I could focus on being my best. That's my definition of balance, but it's not his. And that's okay, and that's the point. I look at The Rock's definition of balance and say that's crazy. You might look at The Rock's definition of balance and say that's crazy. You might look at my schedule and what I do and how I stay balanced and how much time I spend in my business versus taking after Timo versus spending time on my hobbies or with my friends or with my wife or with my son. You might look at all that and say that's crazy. Awesome. Figure out the thing that you want. Figure out what balance looks like for you. Stop worrying about the judgments of other people, and when you actually have the self-awareness to know that this is the life that you want and you start going after it, that's when you get the happiness. That's when you start getting the results. And if I can pass anything on to you, it's having the confidence in yourself that the balance that you are striving for is worth it, is worthy, is great, and to stop being swayed by other people's judgments and expectations of you. Now I've got some very special bonus clips for you, but before that, question of the day, what does balance look like for you? What's the crazy thing that you put in your life or in your schedule that other people think is nuts, but it helps you stay balanced? I want to know. Leave in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I believe in you. I hope you continue to believe in yourself and whatever your one word is. Much love. I'll see you again tomorrow morning for another shot of espresso, and enjoy the bonus clip.
Jennifer says, life is what happens when you're busy making plans. Should my plan be solid or flexible once I'm clear on what I want?
Well, it's a combination of both, but you got to get tunnel vision to reach your goal. You have to put blinders on and say, I'm laser beam focused on this. But know this, the road to success is always under construction. So just knowing when you strike out on your goal, you're going to have to get ready for flexibility because it's going to be detours, pitfalls, stop signs, men working, delays, detours going around. That has to be expected.
How do you balance so much? How do you balance having such a successful career and maintaining your social life, your family, all of this?
It's a different kind of enjoying yourself when you get older. As a young girl, before I got married, I owned property. I had cars. I lived a luxurious life in fabulous, like I was a bachelorette.
Yep.
My dance card was full. I had boyfriends. I had a life. But a career is not going to keep you warm at night, and money is not the answer to happiness. You know, you create an equal balance of everything. At least that's what I say. If you ask Wendy, that's what I say. And I only know that because that's what I live by.
If you want another amazing video highlighting excellence in the Indian community, check it out right there next to me. I think you'll enjoy it. Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.